Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back. Today I have a special unboxing for you. As I've been talking about in the last couple of weeks, Hobbii Yarns is having an amazing Black Friday sale starting early, lasting all month, and they let me shop early so I could give you some ideas. As you know, I've been using Hobbii Yarns for quite a while and I have tons of gorgeous patterns you can browse for inspiration for your Black Friday shopping. And if you'd like, I will unbag or unbox what I ordered from Hobbii. I love their Friends cotton, and I got some of their worsted weight Friends cotton 8/8 in some unique color combinations. And if you'd like to guess in the comments what I'm going to be doing with this yarn, I would love to hear your thoughts. I've got a big project I have in mind. Here's one of the pretty greens. It's more like a forest green. And then this one is more of a sage green. Open this one for you too. You can see that one there. Any guesses so far? And then I've got one here that's a little more of a leafy green. Any guesses? Here's the other one. And then I grab a couple of other colors too, some pretty pinks, like a dusty rose and like a ballerina pink, and a couple of browns. We've got like a mocha and a cocoa. Whoops! You can see that this one's lighter, that one's darker. So any guesses? If you have any guesses, please leave them for me in the comments, and I will be starting these new projects very soon, which will turn into patterns and videos and charts and all that good stuff as well. And I'll leave a link in the video description below so you can start shopping Hobbii Yarns Black Friday sale. And as always, if you have any questions, please feel welcome to leave them for me in the comments. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video. Man, I got a lot to do.